Hey, this is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, where we talk riding, rallies, gear, and wrenching. In today's video, we head to Cuba, Missouri for Gearhead Invasion 2019. What's Gearhead? Well, if you like classic cars and trucks, old vans, rat rods, and custom motorcycles, you ought to like this. If you do like this, make sure you take the time to hit the thumbs up on this video. Doing so gives me a little motivation to keep putting out new content. If you want to see that new content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click that bell and you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Probably want to hang around to the end of the video if you want to see one of the classic cars getting a little scratch leaving the venue. And if you've got a classic car or truck, rat rod, old custom motorcycle that you're really proud of, drop a photo or a description in the comments below and let us know what you got. Thanks! Keep on riding. You can learn more about this event from their Facebook page, which I believe a link to in the video description below. We passed one of the sponsors for this event on the way there, Heaney's Customs. They do a monthly cruise-in at their shop, and I should have a video of that in the near future. This is an annual car and bike show for pre-1980 cars and trucks, pre-1987 custom vans, and all years of custom motorcycles. No crotch rockets or big goofy wheels. This was the first year of the event being hosted in Cuba. It was held at a still operational historic drive-in theater on Route 66. They had vendors, food, music, and a movie on the big screen after dark. They even had what they called midget spaghetti western wrestling. You can find a link to that video on their Facebook page in the description below as well. As we pulled into the drive-in, we could see cars and bikes lined up, and our friends from Plug Ugly's Customs greeted us. They are also a sponsor for this event. They are a local independent bike shop in the area. They put on a monthly bike night that I'll be doing a video of in the future. You can check out their Facebook and YouTube channel to watch some really cool videos to see some of the custom bike work they do. Full disclosure, they did do the custom airbrush work on my Batwing. This is not a paid promotion. I just give them a shout out because I think they're good people and do some amazing custom paint. There were vendors selling beef jerky, tacos, locally raised beef, model cars, die-cast cars, and neon signs, among other things.
Did you miss the spaghetti wrestling?
We did miss that. We didn't get here in time.
That was a crazy trick. Got the little midget hat on the front.
Well, I don't know that I'm all that upset about missing it then.
Oh my God.
The trophies for this event were custom built. They included a custom painted toolbox. We saw what remained from the midget wrestling in spaghetti and continued to check out some of the classic machines and custom motorcycles. Check out all the footage and hang around for the end. We caught a car getting some scratch on their way out of the event.